Hi everyone, this is the solution for day 5 of the challenge. So this one, again, symmetric shape, so we can split the symmetric shape down into different sections. We can use tools, stuff like mirror, to then help project this around. So you actually really need to draw a quarter of this shape. So you can kind of come along through the center, split it in half, and then half again to get quarters. And actually you only need to really draw 1/4 of this and manipulate it around the center point. So that's essentially what I'm going to do with this one. So start my drawing. Okay, I'm going to pitch everything on the construction to start off with. So basically 142.68 is the overall width, so actually 142.84, so we just double check that I pop that one in. Remember, keep always checking. 142, oh, nearly caught me out there, that 84, like so, there we go. 42.84. What I can also do is another line running up, 1.8. Question myself now, 142.84. Okay, once I've now found my middle point, I can actually come along and build my section that way. It's a very, very cheap way of finding 2 centres out and to work out the mass. Now that that part is, I can then put the first circle in, 27.5 on here. Okay, I can make that straight into my drawing layer, like so. With that on, there's an offset of 12 on the internal. So I can just put that one in, like so, and that's the first kind of element that we can put in. Next one, we can look at putting in the 35s left and right. So fillet tool, R for radius, 35 in, M for multiple, choose one, and choose one, like so. Enter to confirm. So that's my first kind of element then sort of done. So I can actually now come in, select both of these and change them to my drawing. Next element is this little 35.99 with the R5 on, and there's actually again the R5 links in at this middle section here. Construction line from 0, 0, okay, to the center of the circle will match up and make sure it's on 45 degrees, which is what these ones currently are. So from this there's a slight intersection, okay, which then sort of produces the R5. So there's like a bit of an overlap on all of these, which you need to kind of make sure that we work out from. So from the quadrant point, it should be along the 45 line, should be 35.99. Okay, we may need to tweak that bit at a later date when we are reverse engineering this rather than making it from scratch. Now at the offset, bring my 5mm out either side and then tangentially attach, and I can put my last one inside there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mirror this line around that section there. I'm going to press yes to not erase, like so, because the actual measurement is done between the two, so we kind of got to get a R5 measurement across. So from that measurement, okay, anglia, that point to that point, I'm at 30.9. So I need to kind of shift all this slightly up, and it's because essentially this part is on the radius, not the actual center point. So I'm gonna, I don't want to move it all. I kind of only want to move those, that, this, and that one. Like so, so this would be 30 point Move it slightly off the centre, I believe, so I'm just going to redo that one. 3 and 4. Okay, so it is kind of that like tangential move there, so I kind of need to put another line in, sort of on 45. So if I just extend that bit out, like so. There you go, 35.99, spot on. So now I've got that part. Okay, I can now come through, and I want to change that one, that one, that one definitely into my drawing layer, which then means I can then trim out that section and that section, mirror everything together. So choose my base point, so I'm going to click on my base, which is going to be here, not to erase, so I'm going to be keeping that, and then we're going to go a bit line crazy now. So it's just making sure we're always selecting the same points every single time. Okay, just going to come in and just get rid of some of these dimensions, because it's going to cloud my view. And now I can come in and trim out pretty much most stuff. So I'm actually going to delete that circle, then I'm going to need it, and then I'm going to need that one, ignore that one, ignore this one, and that's now removed those problems. Just going to get rid of that one as well. I'm going to turn off my construction lines and my vision lines, because I've put those ones on the vision ones. I'm going to go into my dims, and now I'm just going to quickly run around and check that I am all in situ. So there to radius 35. And then I'm going to do my radius on that one, just be R5. Come out again, 27. 15.5, obviously hopefully that is 12, so I'm just going to do a quick quadrant to quadrant, which it is. I can then come and do the radius, it'll be 35, which it is. Okay, and because that quadrant is right, the rest of my shape is going to be right. So it's a really quick, simple, easy way to run through that section. It's just a quick sort of 10-minute drawing to recreate. So with that one in mind, that one's done. Obviously next stage will be output onto a PDF, onto your borders, and you have a full credited drawing. So let me know how you got on, how long did it take you? Did you draw it as a quadrant and mirror, or did you do each part separately and individually? So did you do a big square and do all of the 8 circles, trim out? Let me know how you got on. And remember, tomorrow's challenge will be up 9 AM UK time. Excellent, thanks for watching. See you soon.